Jen DeGoyer. Welcome to Jality's tutorial series. Today we are working on Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2. So, very often teachers will start from down dog, but I'm going to teach it from standing, and then you can always incorporate it when the teacher teaches it. So we're going to start left foot forward first. Right foot's going to step all the way back. And I want you, bringing the hands to the mat a little, just for some support, spin that right heel to the mat. So that right foot's turned out to about 45 degrees, so maybe on a clock like 2:30 or so. And then I want you to look at the heel of the left foot. So the heel of that front foot is always going to intersect the arch of the back foot. So the feet are in line with each other. So as you inhale, right arm cartwheels up, and we begin to sink into that left knee. So the left knee is going to stack directly over the ankle. Left toes are soft. That front foot always grips. It just feels like it needs to hold on. Soften that front foot. So again, the heel of the front foot is going to intersect the arch of the back. Back foot turned out about 45 degrees. And then I want you to bring the focus up into the hip space. So very often, that right hip, that back hip is sort of trying to move forward and also sometimes kind of lifted. So we're going to open them to the long edge of the mat. So open that right hip and then even them out. So instead of being here, even out the hips. Left knee still stacked over the ankle, right foot still grounded. So very often when we lose awareness of that back foot, we begin to rock inwards and we lose the grounding through the outside of the foot. So both feet entirely grounded, hips open, back hip even, and then extend the arms out over the legs. Shoulders soft, extending all the way through the fingertips. So one more time from the ground up. Feet grounded, toes relaxed. Right foot, we're not rocking inward, so the pinky toe is still rooted to the mat. Left knee over the ankle, hips open to the long edge and even. Nice strong spine, lengthen out through the arms. It's Virabhadrasana 2.